What up? It's another very, very hot day today. Yesterday was brutal too. Got a customer that's leaving right now with his GS. Let me guide him off the lip. Yeah, actually, here's the perfect view of the car, the 240. That is one mean-looking bitch. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna get close to the camera. We are actually right now about to put Mitch's motor back in, the subframe, which is behind you guys as well. Mike's car's back from paint, and yeah, Z, yeah, it's here for work. So, training customer of ours, really cool dude. He's been super trustworthy with us. We did a bunch of work to this. Did a full airlift performance, 3-piece setup, dual compressor setup. Really nice car, and again, really good person. And he's here now back for crank, cam, and I can't remember what else, but very common issues with these cars are the crank and cam angle sensors. They go bad and they don't allow the car to run. So we're gonna be replacing those, rolling his front fenders and recalibrating his air setup, because at the time when I bagged the car, he was on 18s, so I had to adjust the bags accordingly. And now he's on 19s, and we're just gonna kind of compensate and, you know, adjust accordingly. My favorites ever. All right, guys, motor's on the subframe. At that point, Kyle's just a couple, sorry, I'm trying to listen, I thought he was talking to me. At that point, Kyle's just gotta wire up a couple small things, connect the intercooler piping, downpipe, and should be good to run. We are lining up the subframe right now, getting the coilover bolts somewhat in the hole first. So once those are in, we can tighten those and get a jack under the front, jack it up, and then line up these 4 points right here, the subframe bolts. And then from there, cross member and smooth sailing. So hopefully this will go somewhat relatively easy. Motor's in. Now we're gonna put another RB in another Skyline. So I think that one's gonna be easier because
not as much shit in there.
Yeah, that's why too. So just got a couple subframe bolts to bolt up, and we should relatively be good to go.
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Today is one of those days where like it's genuinely so, it's more humid than it is hot. Well, it's hot as fuck, so like the humidity, dude. I woke up this morning and left at like 8:39. Bro, it literally felt like you walked out of a hot shower. Wake up, sweat. Go to work, sweat. Go to the gym, sweat. Walk outside, sweat. Sweat. Guys, leave in the comments what wheels I should put on my new car.
Sweat.
What happened?
I was hauling ass around the back of the shop and I just went straight into a dip. Front wheel shot me forward because it like dipped down, and then back wheel knocked me out.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while you feel funky.
We are going to Project Primo to pick up the Miata. And then your title's on the way for the 180. Oh. 1 second, there we go. Much better. Oh, yeah. So Rivers just bought the 180. It is on its way right now from Lakeland because Dave, who brought the car in with us, kind of just for reassurance purposes, wanted to drive the car for well over an hour, make sure temps hold good at highway speeds. I mean, we've already seen for ourselves the car's, you know, awesome. So yeah, should be here in the next hour or two, even though we have your cliche Florida weather coming in right now. So we're waiting for him to pull up.
Hey, perfect weather for him to get the car first day with a little water on the ground, a little, you know. But anyway, yeah.
It'll be easier to clutch kick.
Hey, the bottom line is we're all excited. We're really excited because the number one thing for us is it's staying within the family. So the fact that Rivers picked this car up, I mean, we're so psyched about it. I mean, you guys, this is going to be great. You'll be able to follow the whole build as he progressively continues with building the car and doing what he wants to it. So we're psyched. The car will be here in a little bit.
Look. Yep, look it. Look. Oh. Fucking broke, dude. Oh, he's.
Oh, it broke?
Yep.
Get in, bitch. We're going shopping.
So, I think it's about time we address to the people what Mr. Cody and I did and what Cody now owns. He has a Silvia now. The Silvia is his. We worked something out, so now he owns that. And you guys will see hopefully in the next video what I purchased by giving him this car, which thank you by the way. So yeah, what are your plans for the Silvia?
So he went ahead and got a Supermade kit for it. I'm gonna go ahead and be putting the Supermade kit on, so Supermade gentlemen's front, rear, and side skirts. I'm debating if I want to keep the car white. Realistically, I do. My one thing is, how much do I like them white? Do I want to paint match the old paint it? I'm gonna go ahead and do more than likely, once everything gets resolved, a new Garrett T28 for it. I want to stay mid-mount, SR20s. Love to do SR20 things when you go top mount, and realistically, I don't need anything crazy fast with a lot of power when...
Yeah, well, let's just say there's an RB going to be built on the side for that, because sorry SR guys.
Sorry SR guys, I just can't deal with that noise. I need the RB grumble.
Yeah. So, and the cool thing is too, which I wanted for the new car, but this worked out better, is the car actually just got new wheels. So it's got VSMXs on it now, 18 by 10, 18 by 9.5. It fits the car absolutely beautifully, I think. So again, we worked everything out, and I'm super glad this is going here because now he's owned 2 of his dream cars, and I'm basically at the point where like I own the pinnacle of dream cars for myself. Which again, hopefully in the next couple weeks, I'll be able to reveal to you guys what it is, you know, we got, that I got, and. Yeah.
Down here by the shop, we don't like to just work on cars. During these times of stress, we take ourselves out here to this here old little pond. Cast about. Oh, that was a nice little cast. I got a heavy leader on here.
First cast home, go and catch a fish.
Dave, come show him how to do it.
Oh, Dave's still here. What? Get you caught
Real act. Get him, buddy.
God damn, dude, look at the size of that tilapia.
I think so.
Fucking
Got him.
Let me fill you guys in. So tomorrow's video, we are tuning the RX-7. This man just flew in from Minnesota. Hey, a brain of a goldfish just flew in from Minnesota. He's going to be tuning the car tomorrow. We're going to be going to Hefner Motorsports tomorrow morning. We can't wait to see, of course, what the car is going to do. I'm sure Tobias has been so anxious. How long has it been, bro? How long has it been? A year. Yeah, about a year that's been down. So it's going to be an awesome video. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it. But I mean, hey, go subscribe to our channel.